Welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh. So in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 eyeshadow palettes, and which are specially for beginners friendly because they are affordable and in budget, and also multi-purpose because you can do your eyebrow, your eyeshadow, your contouring, your blush, and your highlighting with this palette. So these 5 things of makeup you can do with one palette. So I will tell you these kind of 5 palettes and you can choose one for you. So these are very affordable and also my favorite. You can see most of them I'm using in my makeup videos. So these are just a lovely video for you, and in just 5 minutes you will get to know all the tips how you can buy a best palette for you, which will help you to complete your makeup with only one eyeshadow palette. So let's get start the video now. So I will choose here, first palette for me is this a Wet n Wild Rose Shade palette. This is a Rose in the Air, it's a shade, and this is from Wet n Wild, and you can see this size is very small and travel friendly, and it has very much cool shades. They have shimmery shades and also matte kind of shades, and they have written there these are transition shades. And you can create your nude look with these shades, and your brown and smoky look with these shades. And this is one red shade you can use as your blush also, or your red eyeshadow also. So you can use any kind of look with this palette, and pigmentation is just wow of this palette. Let me show you some random pigmentations. So yeah, this is lovely, this is so good, this is so easy to blend, and it's look perfectly. So yeah, this one is first, and this is also budget friendly. You can do any kind of just for example, you can fill your eyebrows with this color, you can use for your blush, and this is for your highlighting, this is for your contouring, and everything you can do with this one palette. Just grab it and you are just gotta go. You can create many kind of look with this one palette, and this is also pocket friendly, travel friendly. Just love this one. So for my next palette I have chosen this Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, and you have seen this palette I'm using in my most of the makeup videos because this is so cute, and this is also a this is also a mini size I can say, because this is also travel friendly and you can carry in your bag, and this is safe to use. And this is the inner side of this palette, and let me show you. Ouch. And this is the inner side. They have given so much color in this palette. You can see every kind of shade they have given in this palette, and they have also given this brush. This is one side is flat brush and one side is a fluffy blending brush. So this is also so good, and the quality of this brush is also very good. They have given a very nice mirror over here, and the shade they have given are these. You can use like this shade as these are the blush shades, or you can use your red eyeshadow or pink shades of your eyes, and this one is for you can use your contouring and for your eyebrows, and other ones these are some highlighting and like some glittery eyeshadow if you want to create this kind of look. And this palette is just love. This is so good for blending, and the pigmentation is also good. Let me show you some random pigmentation of this palette also. So I have choose this 3 colors from this palette, and the pigmentation is just, you can watch, this is so good, and this is so blendable, and this is not at all chalky or powdery. You will just love this palette, and this is also budget friendly, a bit of costly from the rest of the palette I'm gonna share with you, but this is worth the amount. They have given so much colors and all are just fab. So for the next palette, and this is our third palette, I'm going to choose this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is exclusive eye color collection 12 ultra professional eyeshadow. They have given here 12 shades of this in this eyeshadow palette, and this is outer packaging, and this one is the inner packaging. So this one, and now I will show you the inner side of this palette. Yeah, this one is the inner side, this is the wrap here over, and they have also given a very good quality mirror over here, and they have also given a brush. This is the kind of flat brush from both the side here, and this is kind of multi purpose to nahi hai, but yeah, this is easy for application of the eyeshadow over your eyelids, and they have given so beautiful 12 colors, pink and orange, and this cool shades, this cool tones shade. They have also purple and blue and dark purple, and so I just love all the colors from this palette. And one more thing, this palette have all the shimmery shades, so you can create any kind of look for your some functions like engagement, wedding, or some other kind of parties. You can create some easy and very quick a glam look with the help of this palette. So let me show you the pigmentation of 1 and 2 colors. So I will choose this blue one, and this the copper shade, and other one this is the pink shade for pigmentation. And yeah, all the shades are so amazing, and this palette is a one of the shimmery shade palette, I will say. Yeah, all the shades are in shimmer, no one is a matte shade, and this is a lovely palette. I just love this, and the size, and this is so sleek and slim and also travel friendly, so you can carry it with your bag, in your pocket. This is like a mobile phone. This is so small, and you will just wonder, in this small size you are getting 12 shimmery shades. Just love this. And so for the next one, I'm choosing this a multicolor eyeshadow palette, and I just love colors. They have so much color, and I just love some colorful kind of eye makeup. If you have watched my makeup videos, I do mostly colored video. I do very rare some nude kind of looks. I just love playing with colors over my eyes, so this one is just love for me, and this is so affordable and so good. So yeah, let me tell you the outer packaging is, and this is from Hilary Rhoda, and they have consisting 16 eyeshadow of different shade. Yeah, so this is the outer packaging, and let me show you the inner side of this palette. Yeah, so this is the inner side of this palette. How cool and beautiful is it looking, isn't it? I just love this because all the colors are looking so good. I'm just flatten over this eyeshadow palette because I just love these kind of eyeshadow palette which have these kind of जिसमें से बहुत सारे multi type of colors दिखते हैं. I just flat over that, and I just wanna buy that palette. And yeah, so they have 16 shade, and they have also in shimmery shade, and also have matte kind of shade. So I just love. They have, I think, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the shimmery kind of shades, and the rest of the matte kind of shade of this palette. So let me show you the pigmentation of some colors. Move my fingers. So which one? This shade is so good. This one and the green one. I'll choose these 3 shades, and wow, just look at the pigmentation. This is such a love to buy this palette. And for the price, yeah, I will show you the price of every palette in my description because I really don't remember right now. So we are done with our 4 palettes, and for the 5th one I'm little bit of confused because I have 2 in my 5th category, or I'm on my 5th number, and so I will just share both of these my eyeshadows with you. And which are these? So first I'm just showing you this nude palette from Maybelline New York, and this is in my 5th number. I will put it. And the other one is this is from Swiss Beauty, a single kind of eyeshadow, and it has some these are the some 12 shades in this nude kind of palette. This is a nude palette from Maybelline, and all shades are nude, and I just like this palette because it is so helpful to create any kind of nude look, and all the pigmentations are very good. And one more thing, I just love this palette because this was my first purchase, and this was my first palette for my makeup palettes. So this was my first, so I just love this. So let me show you 1 or 2 pigmentation. I have took brown and black, and I also choose this pink one. I use these colors mostly. So this is the pigmentation of black color, and this is the copper, and this is the white. And so this is the best for creating any kind of nude kind of makeup look or eye look. So yeah, this is the fifth one, and also this is also the fifth one. I will say this is a most beautiful eyeshadow. So you can use this one for your cut crease kind of eye look or any glam look, and you don't need to be so perfect with your makeup. If you are going to use this one, just apply this and you gotta go, and you will definitely look good. You need not to be very perfect with your makeup skills if you are gonna buy this one. And this is really affordable, and this is really good. I just love this one, and this is so fabulous. Just create your look with this, and nobody will say that you are you know how to do makeup or you don't know, because this is so much good. Yeah, you can see. So yeah, this one has total 3 shades available in market. I think yeah, 3 are available. So mine is in white or nude kind of shade, and 2 other are one is yellow and the other one is copper shade. You can buy anyone. So I have this one, the shade name is 02. So yeah, this was the last one. So totally and technically I have told you total 6 eyeshadow palettes, and which are so much super affordable for beginners, especially if you are beginner, if you are going to buy your new channel, or if you are trying to learn makeup skills at your home, or you want to do your makeup by your own. So you can just grab any kind of palette from these 6 these eyeshadow palettes. So these are just love, and I also just love and use a lot these palettes. So if you love this video, then just give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. So it will be a great support for me. So stay connected for longer if you will subscribe my channel, and also the press ting bell. So we'll see you in my next video with some amazing and super content. So till then, bye bye, and of course take care. Welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh. So in today's video I'm going to share my